You can expect a lot from the 2005 Nissan Titan. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 90,000 miles. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.